I've heard about Daniel through one of my father's friends. He used to keep making fun of me that I looked way too unfit. I looked way too skinny, and so on. He used to keep making fun of me. And one day he called me and said, I have someone I want you to meet. That's when I was at that point where I was trying to find someone who'll transform my body a little bit. And yeah, that's how I heard about Dan, and I called him myself. I messaged him actually, and then Sandeep and so on, they came and met me, and that's how it happened. I started training. We decided to try out. I said I want to try a month, but Dan then said, there's no point in trying out just a month. You have to see changes. You must train hard for at least 4 or 5 months, and that's how we started off. And after the first month, I think I saw a lot of change in my attitude towards my workout. My workout was always more of a, okay, I have to do this. I'm doing it without any goal sort of workout, and it's not because I wouldn't blame anyone else. I'd blame myself for that. And I guess sometimes it takes a particular sort of trainer to sort of instigate things inside you. And I guess that worked out for me with Dan, because he makes fun of you if you don't put in a certain amount of effort, and he instigates the right areas for anyone. Yeah, so once training started off, I saw immense change in my attitude towards my workout. That made most of the difference. And yeah, it's been, I think, a good couple of months. I'm not sure exactly how many months, but the amount of change I've seen in my training for the last couple of months, I feel very good about myself. You start to feel very confident once you get stronger, and you can lift a certain amount of weight without even doubting yourself. And when you're coming into the gym, you come into a clear mindset. Before, I used to be on my phone. I used to be very distracted. But once I enter the gym, this space is like Dan's space. I don't let any outside stuff affect this. That 1 hour is the most important when Dan is here. And yeah, his training is very explosive. You need to be very on the spot. You need to be very, very concentrated. You need to have how do I say it? You need to have that confidence in yourself that your body can do it. It's just a matter of effort. So that consistency in training, if you don't keep up, or if you don't show, it affects your workout. It affected my workout. A couple of weeks I kept slacking off, and my results weren't coming out. And then Dan said, it's you. It's not the workout. It's not me. It's you. And then once I started working out consistently, it all comes together when you're consistent. Dan's the sort of guy who enjoys seeing results. He enjoys pushing you. He doesn't see much happiness in seeing your bicep get bigger, your chest get bigger. He gets a kick out of seeing you get much stronger. I know he has this game how he plays it. He keeps telling me about other clients. I'm sure he goes and tells his other clients about me, who's getting stronger, how much they're lifting. He keeps instigating you so that you try and get a little more pumped up, and you try and beat them. So it's this constant competition he's maintaining. He thinks I don't know this, but I know this. But yeah, he motivates you without you knowing, and I find that very good, because I don't like people. Me as a person, I don't like people sitting and saying you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. He motivates me in the way I want to be motivated, and I'm sure he does for his other clients as well. My strength has gone up more than I ever imagined once I started training with Dan. I'm lifting more than I could. I never thought I'd lift this much. Maybe my attitude towards workout has changed over the last couple of months, yes, but you need 2 hands to clap. You need a good trainer. You need to be motivated. So I guess you can't say that. I'm not going to say that other trainers are bad or Dan is the best, but I know that Dan knows how to motivate and knows how to get things done. So whatever it is, when you sign with him, he will make sure he will do whatever it takes to get you motivated. So I really thank him for him literally transforming my body and making my attitude towards workout change. I thank him, and I'm sure this is going to be. I'm going to go on training with him because I'm enjoying the results I'm getting. The career I'm getting into, which is acting, you need to be fit. You need to be fit. You need to want to be fit, and the sort of training Dan makes you get into, once you're in it, you don't feel like getting out, because if you get out of it, it's nothing will satisfy you. You don't. The intensity in this training is very high. During your workouts, you're always on a high. You're always feeling very good about yourself because you're lifting that heavy. You're seeing results which you never imagined, and week to week it increases. You're seeing like major changes just next week. Last week I lifted almost just 10% less than I'm today. So it's a very radical increase every week, and you feel very good about yourself. So that high will go if you don't get into this intense training, and once you're in it, you don't feel like getting out. So that intensity is what keeps you fit, and I really need that fitness. So I'm 100% sure this is a very good. It's a very good thing for me and my career. So I'm glad I found Dan. It's going well, and I'm sure it's going to be a long relationship.